Oh yeah, you know what? Anything that makes it put a smile on our face and makes us think about something else.
Yeah, a little bit of hot chocolate dipping those cookies
There
in
you
there.
go.
Yeah. Or milk.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, you're going to need it as we head into the next 72 hours. We're going to have some big ups and downs on our way. You can see a little bit of light snow is trying to work its way in from the northwest. We've had a few snow showers, had some earlier on, and we've still got some headed east of Fort Dodge right now. Otherwise, that main wave that brought us snow earlier is out of the state at this point. We'll continue to see that area to the north develop, though. Areas like Kossuth County down towards Clarion are going to continue to see at least some chances for snow before things become a little bit more broken and a little more scattered into the afternoon tomorrow. Not to say we won't see snow, it'll just be more periods of snow here and there rather than continuous snow falling across the state. So if you wake up in the morning and you're like, where's the snow? Just wait a little bit. There's a pretty good chance that it'll be headed your way. We've got more chances for that into Saturday morning. You can see just kind of these streamers working their way on in. Temperature-wise, 35 degrees for your Friday. That temperature is going to be the warmest in the morning, and it's going to be dropping throughout the day. And we'll bottom out around 8 degrees Saturday morning with wind chills single digits below zero. With the wind we'll see on Saturday, it is not likely to feel above zero all day long. And we head into Sunday, and we will eventually start to see temperatures warm up a bit, but that's going to be because of another system that's rolling through that'll bring in some chances for a few snow showers out there. So you look at your snow track here, and again, not a lot of snow is going to be falling. We'll have a chance for largely under an inch for that northern half of the state. Could see some pockets with some of those heavier bands, maybe upwards towards an inch or two. That will be the outlier, though, not the common thread for our snow day. But again, we have got very strong winds that are going to be out there blowing that snow around. Could lead to briefly limited visibilities in spots. Could even see some spots where visibility briefly drops to zero. But as you look at the temperature, well, that is going to be headed towards zero or at least close to it. Wind chills surely will be. We work our way in towards your Saturday morning. You can see near teens below to the north, single digits below across the rest of the state. Sunday morning, single digits below. That is the warmer of the days, if you want to call it that, or mornings. And then by Monday, we get kind of an Arctic blast through some northeastern portions of the state with those wind chills dipping into the mid-20s below, with the rest of the state in the upper single digits to mid-teens below. So your 8-day forecast, we are hopping all over the place. 35 Friday, 11 Saturday, 31 Sunday, 16 for MLK Day. It's going to be very breezy for your Monday as well. After that, though, finally some warmth. We couple it with sunshine. We're above freezing starting Tuesday.